Here's exactly how to summarize YouTube videos using Bard AI. First of all, ensure that you have enabled the Bard AI YouTube extension. If you haven't done so yet, watch my tutorial video on how to enable Bard AI extensions, link in the video description. Go to Bard AI and write the following prompt. Give me insights and summarize this video. Organize the information in a set of easy-to-scan bullet points. You can find this prompt in the video description. Open YouTube and copy the link of the video you want to summarize. Head back to Bard AI and paste the link in the prompt field and press enter. Here are some insights and a summary of the video in a set of easy-to-scan bullet points. The video recommends 15 books to add to your reading list for next year. The books cover a wide range of topics, including history, philosophy, science, economics, and self-improvement. You can ask follow-up questions to get more information. I'll ask what the speaker said about the book, The Art of War. Here's the response Bard AI gave us. The speaker mentioned The Art of War by Sun Tzu as one of the 15 books that will change your perception of reality. It is an ancient text that remains relevant today and offers insights into strategy, conflict, and leadership that can be applied in various aspects of modern life, not just in warfare. Congratulations! Now you know how to summarize YouTube videos using Bard AI. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Let's Not Waste Time. For more useful Bard AI tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Bard AI tutorials.